You tech tick. We're back together again in section 4 about the 5-ball rule. Now we're going to talk about solder paste and paste type. Solder paste is made up of metal balls and a variety of liquids and suspended solids that we'll collectively call flux. Solder paste is characterized by the size distribution of the metal balls. This is called solder paste type. Let's talk more about the size distribution of the solder types. Solder paste types are specified by numbers. Here we have solder paste types 3, 4, and 5. And each of them has a size range of the metal balls in the solder, shown here in units of microns. For instance, type 3 has a size range of 24 to 45 microns, so that the largest size in the range is 45. For type 4 solder paste, the largest size is 38 microns. And for type 5 paste, the largest size is 25 microns. Now we're prepared to state the 5-ball rule. At least 5 balls of solder must fit into the narrowest stencil aperture dimension. Since, for us, the narrowest aperture dimension is always width, we have the following. W must always be greater than or equal to 5 times the largest ball size. For type 4 solder paste, the largest ball size is 38 microns. Time to meet the first objective of this section. State the 5-ball rule, either in words or using an equation. Here's an example of how to use the 5-ball rule. What is the smallest aperture that can be used with type 4 solder paste whose largest ball size is 38 microns? The 5-ball rule says that W should be greater than or equal to 5 times 38 microns, which is equal to 190 microns, so that the smallest allowable aperture width is 190 microns. Here's the last objective of this section. Calculate the minimum aperture width for type 5 solder paste, which has a largest particle size of 25 microns. That concludes this section on the 5-ball rule.